Welcome to Exploring and Creating Life Together.
Hey there, explorers and creators. This is Deborah and Gary, and we are thrilled to have you join us on this incredible journey.
Life is an amazing adventure filled with endless opportunities to discover new places, learn new skills, and connect with amazing people.
On this channel, we dive into the world's wonders, exploring everything from breathtaking travel destinations to creative do-it-yourself projects.
Whether trekking through uncharted territories, trying out new recipes, or making something with your own hands, we're here to inspire and guide you every step of the way.
But it's not just about exploring and creating on our own. It's about doing it together as a community. We want to hear your stories, see your creations, and celebrate your journeys.
Join us as we share tips, tricks, and inspiration to make the most out of life, because together we can explore more, create more, and live more.
So hit that subscribe button and let's start this amazing adventure together. Welcome to Exploring and Creating Life Together.